The stripes are new. It's a cooking show going on here.
Uh-oh, cooking show.
Moving furniture. So here's the rock that we're gonna put whoop, somewhere special, right?
Turn it around.
Trailer for a car. Awesome. Yeah, I just got you good rhymes.
So you've placed the rock.
I placed the rock under a post at the beach.
Sure you don't want to look around for another spot? You like it there? That's kind of a neat spot, actually.
Okay, and it begins. This is the beginning of the world's best sandcastle ever. With the world's best sandcastle maker.
Katie wants to contribute. Come on, you gotta scoop faster than that.
Okay, so we've made some progress. Right, Wesley? What do we got, a pyramid here? What do we got here?
Not quite sure yet.
It's looking good.
Getting there.
Nice. Almost. Up, so close. So, what can you tell the people about this sandcastle?
I don't think it's my best work, although it was fun. I feel like I'm capable.
How's these super toasted cheeses? Delicious? They look super toasted. Time to fill up the moat with a trench. Here we go. Young Riley's in the He's down. Here it comes. Nope. That one took him. Sir, how was that wave? It really took you, right? What a powerful sea. He's back in. Almost. Yes. All right, that's far enough. Satisfaction. Just trying to ruin the moat. The dragon's coming. Here he comes. Right up to the castle.
Yes!
Yes!
It's very satisfying when the moat gets filled.
It's very satisfying when the moat gets filled. There it goes. Action. Sir,
Turn right onto Post Road.
turn right onto Post Road. You getting all that sand out of your toes?
I didn't. WT.
Brian's been thinking about getting into tank tops. It's like a new thing that he's trying to get into.
I don't know if you're gonna like it. You would really give it a little something. Yeah, so you could try.
So you got mint chocolate chip, you got watermelon, black raspberry chocolate chip, coffee.
They can
Okay, here they are going into the bamboo forest. Are you ready?
I am.
Just watch your step.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, Wes. You're carrying this. Tripping on things.
I'll carry it.
Have no hands.
Here we are in the bamboo forest. It's very refreshing. How do you like this bamboo forest?
Very good. I like it very much.
Yes, I like it very much too. Let's go in this way. Will they ever make it out of the bamboo forest? Oh, someone's coming.
You came this way. No, we came out.
Where's your family? Where are your parents? Here come the Flamands, natives of this land, emerging from their bamboo forest.
Would have thought it would have been more high-pitched.
It's Basie. So was the rock taken?
Yep.
Someone found it and took it, and maybe they'll post about it?
Yep.
Cool. Success. The banana one is good.